One of the last videos that I made last year was my review of the Lull mattress that was gifted to me by the Lull company. And since then, we've gotten some new furniture and I was able to put my room together, so I figured I'd give you a short little tour of what the furniture looks like and how we set up the bedroom. Also, at the end of this video, I have a special gift that I bought for Jack. He's my special little guy back there. Yes, my little puppy dog. He's been with me for the past 10 years now, and I figured it was time to spoil him just a little bit more. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into a little bit of the tour that I have for you guys. Okay, so this is what the room kind of looks like. It's a really small room. We were able to fit a lot of large items in it, but it is quite a squeeze. So over here, we can see my dresser that I have, and there is barely enough space for me to get in between the dresser and the bed. As long as I shuffle sideways, I can get through. But when we plan on remodeling the house, that's one of the things that's going to change, is we're going to make the bedroom a little bit bigger. So we didn't see any problem in keeping the larger furniture for a while. Okay, so now that we went through the room and I got you all excited about my bedroom and what it looks like, I wanted to thank Lull for giving me this mattress because it has made a huge difference in the way that I sleep. Since I've needed my hip replacement, having that spring mattress just really put a lot of pressure on my leg, and I just was not able to sleep very well. But since having this, and even a year later, I absolutely love it. I sleep through the night, I hardly ever toss and turn, and when I do, it's still comfortable. Like, it has made a huge difference. Since we did a review last year on the mattress, I figured, why not spoil my dog with his own memory foam mattress? Yeah, that's right. I've spoiled Jack so much that he deserves his own memory foam mattress. In the past, I've bought him several beds to lay on. Several pet beds that I've gotten off of Petco. But they always seemed to be uncomfortable for him because he would scratch them up and open it up, and the foam, cushioning, cotton, fuzzies, the fuzzy stuff, he would just tear it all out. He would pick it out with his teeth, and then finally when I would get home after a long day, there would be no bed left. I would try to stuff it back as much as I could, but it's never the same. And those things, you couldn't actually really wash them. So anytime it got dirty, I'd throw it in the wash and then it became lumpy. It was a huge mess. So, yeah, I didn't want to deal with the mess anymore, and I got tired of buying beds, so I decided that I was going to get Jack a memory foam mattress, just like his mama. Come here, Jack. Come here. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi, Bubba. Yeah, Jack he's getting old now. He's about 10, 11 now. He's cranky and old, and his joints hurt, and I just want him to feel comfortable. I want him to lay on something when I have to leave him at home, put him in his crate. He wants to lay on something that's gonna be comfortable for him, and I need something that he's not going to tear up. So because Jack is part of my YouTube family, I figured I would do an unboxing video and show him getting his new bed, and so enjoy that. Every time I would get a package, I would use a steak knife or try to get some scissors out, and there was always missing scissors. I just couldn't find something to open up my boxes, but now I have a dedicated box opening knife. This memory foam mattress I did get off of Amazon, and Jack was excited. All the other dogs were like, what's going on? What are you doing? This store had a toy inside the box, and Brandy saw it and she immediately decided that that was her toy and that she needed it. I unboxed the mattress, and then I put the cover on it, put it in Jack's crate, and yeah, he seemed to really enjoy it because he didn't want to get out of his house. After a while, we had to almost coax him out of it. Okay, so guys, thanks for joining me in my bedroom tour and watching Jack appreciate his new memory foam mattress, because sometimes you just need to spoil your dog. So stick around for next week when I reveal my new hairdo, right? And I just want to again thank everyone for commenting and leaving love and support on my channel from last week's video, where I explained why I stopped making YouTube videos, and just the support and love just really touched my heart. And I'm thankful for my YouTube family and for everyone just being there for me in a really dark time. So thank you, and everyone who commented. I definitely appreciate it. I read through all of them. I gave hearts and thumbs up to everyone and commented on the ones that I could. But yeah, I definitely really appreciate it, and I'm glad that you are here for my journey to healing. So if you liked this video, if you like Jack, and if you love spoiling your dogs, give this video a thumbs up. If you can't wait for next week's video, then hit that bell so you get notified when I upload it. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.